staircase. Woo! And now we're gonna walk up to the top up here, see what's going on. Let me sit down, get some water, take some pictures. Woo! So it was pretty cool up here, really relaxing, very quiet, breathtaking views of the city itself. So make sure you climb those treacherous stairs and yeah, so check it out. Alright guys, I'm gonna watch my footing because, you know, I've told you I'm a klutz and so I don't want to die. Alright guys, see you in a bit. Alright guys, so that completes the tour of the Citadel area. I'm gonna head out and get some lunch. I'll talk with you guys later. Alright guys, out and about for lunch. It's another work day, but I'm going to do the last thing in Sighisoara I absolutely wanted to do, and that is to have lunch at Casa Vlad Dracul, where in the house where he lived. So that's where I'm headed right now. Let's go check this out. Alright guys, so this is my last day in Sighisoara. I'm just heading down, getting the ATM, then I'm gonna have lunch. Took another work day. It's kind of overcast, rainy day. So perfect day for a work day. I did want to clarify something I did learn. So the one museum made it sound like he just lived here, Vlad Tepesh that is. But when I went to Casa Vlad yesterday, I saw the room where he was born. So I think it's kind of a combination of two. And so that's a clarification, and I'm super stoked because I thought I had done research and did the right thing. Alright guys, so that's going to be it from Sighisoara. Like I said, the rest of the day is not going to be very interesting for you guys. And come see it. It's beautiful. Take your time. Experience everything. Alright guys, see you there.